Hi, my name's Terry Ambrose, and I work with SCORE Greater Phoenix. And I just want to tell you a little bit about SCORE if you don't know about them, because this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. So, SCORE is a volunteer organization, it's free to you, and it's for business owners or those who want to start up a business. And there are a lot of benefits to SCORE. There are workshops, there are webinars, there are free resources online. And one of the best resources, though, is getting your own personal mentor. So you can get a mentor who has skill in your area of business. So, for example, if you are, in construction, or if you're starting a clothing company, you're going to want a SCORE mentor who has some experience in those areas. And these mentors, most of them have either had their own business in that particular field, or any field, not just those two. Whatever field you're looking for, chances are, if we don't have somebody in the Phoenix area, it is also a nationwide network. So basically, the mentor is going to help guide you along. You can be asking them a specific question. So maybe you have, a problem that you've run into that you seem to have a hard time getting past. So you go to a mentor and you talk to them about that specific problem, and they help you find a solution. Or you could be a business upstart and you just don't really know what you need to do, or you know what you need to do, but you need help fleshing it out, so to say, getting into the nitty gritty. So this is what SCORE mentors can help you with. They can help you with your business plan, choosing your entity, marketing, sales, really anything related to running and growing a business. So if this is something you're interested in, it's super easy to sign up for. You just go to the Greater Phoenix SCORE website, and there's a link below. Just click that link. And then there's a couple different ways of choosing a mentor. You can either look through the mentor profiles and choose someone that's really ideal for you, or you can put in your name and the information that's asked for, and an intake coordinator will look to see who's the best mentor fit for your type of business and the need that you have. Okay, so it's a real good deal. I hope you join up, and if you have any questions, then you can shoot us an email also on the website, and we'll get it answered for you.